Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show a thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes. With bright smile, we always start our work because we believe that when we will be happy, our work will be happy, right? So with a beautiful smile, let's get started with our today's bottle craft. And yes, this ways you can use any kind of container, many times like small, tiny kullad, and mitti glasses, mud glasses you get for with lassi and different kind of containers. Anything could be used using this very simple but beautiful idea. So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. So, with a bright smile, we will start our today's work. And here is material needed. Okay. So, first, I'll show you what material is needed. I'll give you a little bigger view. And I think white, yeah. Okay. So, here, this is the complete material needed. I will show you what is needed. So the very first thing we need a bottle. And it could be any kind of bottle. Are you ready with your material? Excited? Show your thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, that's it. And without the smile, like you won't be able to do well. So here, like whatever you have available, at home, leftover pieces of clothes, your old bands, your old jewelry, whatever, old discarded flowers, you can use anything for creating it. Okay, so let's see that what material is needed. So see this kind of dupattas normally when we go in holy occasions we get. Otherwise you can take a piece of cloth, colorful cloth. Okay, and black if you have, it's okay. If you don't have, then you will color black. I have this small piece of black, and it's a very old cloth, so I will use it for making hair. And inside it is darker, so I will use this darker side, and this I will use for making cloth. And this is acrylic color, so this we will use for making face. Like I want to make a male face, and so here we can. And using the same method, even female face could be made. Okay, and many times we have old glasses, and many times we have old glasses. So you can use those glasses also if you have for making it looking wonderful. Many time old discarded glasses out of where they are old, out of fashion. And so you can use those glasses also for making it looking amazing. We didn't mention it material list because otherwise what happens? Students start panicking and they want to have that material anyhow. So we don't mention this kind of things which could create chaos for moms. So we simply keep it. I think white background will give you better view, na? Yes, now it's perfect. Okay. So I will use this color if you have skin color or anything. And as I'm going to make a male face, so I will use black. Okay, black for making mustache and red for making lips. So clay I will use. If you don't have clay, not to worry, you can simply paint. Okay, so if you don't have any material here, and if you want to put sun glasses, you have some sunglasses, old discarded, don't use new, okay? Old discarded sunglasses if you want to put, then we need a nose. For that, clay is needed, okay? We can do its pasting. So this is the material needed: scissors, fevicol, and to paint, you can use cotton, and a piece of cotton you can use, or otherwise you can use even paintbrush. Okay, so this is the material needed, and hopefully now you are ready. Shall we start now? Yes. Um, yes. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up. Yes. So show your thumbs up with a bright smile. Without this bright smile, what will happen? You won't be able to come up beautifully. So here I'm making a male face. If you will remove mustache from here, and same little difference in scarf. Like here, I want to put this cloth over head of this men. And you can put scarf or hairband of yours and clips of yours, and using the same method you can make female face also. So this kind of bottle craft could be used for decorating your garden, and a kind of accessories when you put somewhere, so they look beautiful. So for decorating your garden or corner of your room, anywhere you can keep it. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. So the very first thing you will do, you will do pasting of cloth. And so I want to do pasting of cloth. And for that, if you have black cloth, it's okay. If you don't have, then also it's okay. And if you have colorful cloth and you want to put that only, you can even go for that. Okay. So there is no foundation, you should have this or that. Not at all. Whatever you have available, use that only. Okay. So this is a very old cloth, and I will simply cut and I will do its pasting. See, the half of the bottle here, the face will come, and here we will do pasting of cloth. So let's do pasting of cloth first so that we can do coloring. After coloring, like it will be difficult to apply things, you know. We have to give. If you don't have cloth, then also it's okay. Then also it's okay. I will show you what I'm going to do. I will simply tie this cloth. Can I see? I will show you. So you will understand that why without that also. I will be tying this cloth overhead. You must have seen farmers, they put cloth on over their head this ways, on side. And farmers, when they do work. And in holy party also, we simply tie this ways. So I'm going to put it this ways. So if you don't have color, you can simply color it black, or you can leave it like that also. It's not compulsory to color the back, cover the background. And girls can simply show a scarf like this. And they can simply show the knot in front. And if you want to make a girl, then you can show the scarf in front. We will be making a male face because female face we learned so many times before. So this ways we will be putting it afterwards. Okay. So as I have black available, so what I'll do, I will simply take the pieces of it and I will start putting it backside. Okay. So for this, you need Fevicol. And what you will do, you will open your Fevicol. It's quite thick. And I will cut the pieces. Okay. Good amount of Fevicol you will put so that your cloth could be pasted properly. Acha, use of cloth will save your coloring, है ना? And one textured look will definitely give it a beautiful output. So I will simply apply it nicely. My Fevicol is very good in quality. है ना? So I will simply apply it all over this complete half of bottle. Only face we want now, so that much part we will leave, and rest all my and this thick Fevicol you will spread, and a piece of cloth. You can even cut paper. है ना? You can cut even newspaper also, stripes of newspaper, and you can do its pasting here. It will look like gray. And afterwards you can color. If you have black paper, you can put paper as well. है ना? But as we want to make it wash proof, so that's why we will prefer this. Now I will simply keep few objects here and there so that it will not move. And I will start with my pasting part. So first I will do pasting of. I will cut a small piece of cloth and I will do its pasting. Girls can make a plate and they can make a choti and they can hang in front and a different like cultures. If you want to show through this, you can definitely show that. And see this, if this is crepe paper, so it will give a very beautiful look of hair. I will simply cut. If you want to go for double layer, you can simply put double layer. है ना? But I will do one thing, I'll cut it off because remaining cloth I will use for another crafts which we are going to have. And I will teach many of crafts so that you can make countless planters of yours and you can decorate, you can gift it to others. And plastic bottles are great danger for our environment. See, I did pasting and cloth will get pasted without dedicating much time. And see, the only shape left is this face. Okay. The backside, we did pasting of this. Come on. And extra, if you feel that you want to cut, you can cut. Or you can first decide and cut that much big rectangle. Cloth, at place of cloth, if you want to do pasting of some other thing, you can try that too. And if you are making, you can even cut stripes. You can even cut stripes of this kind, irregular stripes, and you can do its pasting. But they will look like hair. And that will be little like challenging, but that will also look great because its output will be perfect. So I simply did pasting of this. I will give you horizontal view also. Just a minute. I simply cut rectangle piece of it and I will do its pasting nicely. And we did its pasting before, so because afterwards it will be challenging when we will be coloring it, right? Yes. So let's do it before so that easily we can color the remaining portion. Okay. And here, see, I will show you giving horizontal view. These all I will clean after the bottle is done. And all tiny pieces, don't throw off. Acha, if you don't have clay, you can cut the piece of cloth also for making mustache. Okay, you can simply twist and you can make it, or you can make it without mustache also. That will also look great. There is one more way of making hair, that is, you simply attach your hair, the stripes from mouth. You simply put it inside and then you arrange it like this. Next class, I will try something of this kind. Okay. So female face also. And this ways you will be able to reuse your plastic bottle, glass bottle, small bottle, big bottle, and any bottle. Suppose this is bottle of color. So you can make a small face using this bottle also. And for making tray garden, this kind of objects are of great help. Okay, come on, do this. And now I will clean, I will remove all stripes of cloth. I will use it some other time for creating something else. And yeah, okay, so this is the way I covered up this part, and only this much part is left, which I'll color and clean. Okay, come on. And keep cleaning your surface. Okay, you will clean it nicely. Yes. Okay. So see, this is the way we will start the work. Now we need a cotton and color. So as it is a male figure, so I will use yellow ochre color. I'll wait. I'll wait. Don't worry. And yes, your sunglasses. I told you, if you have any glasses, you can definitely put them also for making it looking more beautiful. Broken glasses many times. Broken glasses also we have. They can be used. It will add a very stylish look to this. For male and female, any kind of character. Nose, like we are going to put, we want to place our sunglasses over. So for making nose, you can use cap of a cold drink bottle or any bottle. You can use that also. Okay? Yeah. Done. I will keep it this way so that you can see how it is done. All of you finish, take your own time, and whatever you have available, use that. Okay. If you don't have anything, suppose you have colorful cloth, you can gray, you can use, you can cut stripe, you can, and anything which you feel, you just see in your treasure box. And like you, we all are having our treasure boxes in which we have different things available. So whatever you have available, you can brown, golden, this kind of colors could also be used. Pink and this, and like colorful hair also will look great. Yes. So make a treasure box in which if you find something that which could be used in future, so you start collecting. So what happened when you open that treasure box, you get idea. Okay, I can use this, that way. And for best out of waste class, you find it easy to implement. Can I see how it turn up? All of you, show your bottle. Very good. And you will see with limited efforts, and we will be completing it. Very good. And many of you did the pasting of with whatever color they were having. Very good. Okay. Now you will open your colors. We will open our color, and with help of cotton, we will start with it. Okay. So chalo, let's get started with coloring. And by the time when coloring will get over, we will start doing other things also. So now we will start with coloring. So after coloring, like pasting and all would be difficult. So now the pasting will happen at the same time, and then coloring. For this, you can select any color you like. I selected this yellow ochre color, and if you're using paintbrush, then you will not go for this technique. You will not go for this technique. You will go for tap, tap technique. Tap, tap, tap. And no water. Acrylic colors will work. With plastic crayons or some other, if you will try, it will not work. You can do even pasting of paper. If you don't have any kind of paper, then do the pasting of paper. Color it with whatever color medium you have. But that won't be wash proof when you will place it in water. Suppose you want to make something for garden. So that can drain out. So for bottle painting, we need acrylic colors. Okay, so what I'll do, I will simply take it, and with cotton, as I mentioned, cotton in material list, and there are many who are very young. So you will simply take cotton, and with help of, I'll take a piece of cotton, and you'll take color. So you will take out color with help of paintbrush, and you will simply put it here. And with help of cotton, you will go for tap tap technique. And you will not use any kind of, yes, you will take this cotton and you will go for tap tap technique very carefully. And it will hardly take much time, and quickly it will happen. Come on. Okay, if you want to paint upper portion also black, you can. Otherwise, upper portion you can keep as it is. Okay, nicely a tip. And if you will go for this ways now, it will not turn up well. You can use skin color, you can use pink color, whatever color you have, you can use. Yellow ochre I use because I want to show a male person. So yes, this yellow ochre color will give a wheatish complexion. Okay, now here, if you feel like to make a shirt, and I suppose you want to make a kurta, so you can put a stripe of cloth here also. You can put two buttons. So once you know the basics of making it, you can try in so many ways. Even the long boxes, small boxes, cardboard boxes could also be used for this kind of things. I'm trying to cover up one gift bag using Blinkit bags. How many of you are having Blinkit bags, a pile of Blinkit bags available at home? Those are boring color, but if we would be able to convert them in a beautiful gift bag, then we will be able to save lots of paper, which is non-biodegradable, that is gift paper. And this bag will be ready to gift. So I will try to cover up one artwork in which I can teach, convert. So see, this is the way with tap tap technique I completed this particular part. Yeah, nicely I will do this. And with tap tap technique, very nicely, like you will find this done. Okay, come on, do this. I'll take a pause of 1 minute so that you all could finish this much. Okay, so what we simply did pasting of black for showing hair. And for making hair, if you have wool, if you have cloth, if you have like jute strings, if you have wire, if you have any kind of string, and a gray or any color, you can use that also for making it. You just see your treasure box, and whatever you have available could be used. Okay. Yes, and many times we have lots of strings, many of you are having lots of thread available. So together that could be used. Okay. Now, this is the way we completed our second step. That is, we completed face part. And here I selected yellow ochre color. You can try any of your choice. If you're using, if you want to use paintbrush, in that also you will go for tap tap technique. Okay. And see, I always say when you open your packet, always keep it remain leftover, you keep it in airtight box, otherwise it will get converted in plastic and of no use, you know. Like I will show a piece, like here, see, I forgot to keep it properly, but now it's just like a stone, so I will not throw it off, I will use it in tray garden. And this is a lovely lightweight stone which could be used in tray garden. And you can make some lovely patterns, and you can use it as a decorative piece. Try to see that what ways you can reuse material, and which should not look like a garbage. And so this kind of pieces, many times you mix clay and brown and gray color you get to just make stones out of it, because very soon we are going to learn tray garden also. In that, all this kind of pieces we will be using for making our lovely stones. Okay. So don't throw off, because this is plastic, again, non-biodegradable. Okay. And see, I kept my colors very properly. So here it is done. And by the time we need to wait till it get dry. Okay. Yes. Mustache we need to make. So you will decide what kind of mustache. If you want to make V shape, it's okay. Keep it simple. If you want to make it nibbu tikka, it means this kind of ash shape, very hai na? This kind of, if you want to make French cut beard, you can. It's completely your choice. We will be keeping it quite simple so that you all could do this. So see this black, as I kept it in airtight container, it's completely ready to use. Red I will use for making lips, and immediately I will put it inside. Okay. So I will make it, and my color is little sticky. So if I will put my shape over, it will get stuck over, and my, you know, so see, little of it I will take, and then I will immediately pack this inside, and I will keep and pack it in my airtight jar. And always keep in mind, if you are mixing and playing and some neutral color you are finding, don't throw it off. You will make this kind of lips and this kind of shape, which is straight and D shape. Can you see? D shape. And it's a D shape. It is straight from here, and from here it is curved. And this I will use black for making mustache. Let's use it completely because it is not going to last for next class. I will nicely mix it, and you can simply divide it, and you can make a beautiful shape out of it, you know? And the lips will come here, and you can make your lips little more flat. Lips will come here. You will simply place it here. And lips will come your lower side. And your mustache will come upper side. You can give a curve if you want. And with black color, you can try any other color also. And this is optional. It's not compulsory. You can, if you don't have anything available, you can use even your, and here as my paint was sticky, so I decided to do its pasting right now. And that's why I finished it before, so that along with paint, even this will get dry. You know? And if you feel you want to make a nose, then you can cut a small piece of it, or you can make a ball out of it, and you can put a nose. If you want to put glasses, if you want to put glasses for making it looking beautiful, okay? So that can be done. So see, this is the way lips and mustache will be done. You can make mustache anyways. I simply gave curve and try to give it a look like this, okay? Yeah, with very limited efforts. And if you want to make dress, you want to make kurta or something of this kind, you can put little here also to give it a complete look. You know, those stripe of cloth you can use here, and you can make it looking beautiful. And using this technique, you can make Bengali couple, you know, male and female, both you can make. And you can make South Indian and many different kind of couples, many different kind of faces, pasting of this mustache and smile. Okay, for that this I used clay, and as my color was sticky, so I used this and completed it. Okay, and if you feel that you want to do pasting of cloth also, a stripe of cloth you want to put here, then you can cut a piece of this. And if you want to give little festive look, so you can do pasting of this also. I think I have some lace. I'll see in my treasure box, and I will try to find out something wonderful out of my treasure box also. And even I have so many things available. Yes, I got it. I have this beautiful lace, which I can put here. Or what else I have? You can use even clay, if you want to use clay for making dress here, so you can use clay also. So anything you feel, you find, you can use. So I have this clay, little of blue clay available, which is very little. I will use it and make cloth out of it. Okay, let's use this blue clay. And as I told you, when you're playing with clay and it turn in gray or brown, don't simply throw it off. Make some irregular shapes and collect it, because we are going to learn tray garden. And a tray garden is again something amazing for gift, for decoration. And I like Teachers' Day and other occasions, stop giving cards, start gifting plants. Okay. And for that, not to purchase things from market, you can simply make your things by your own. So see, this clay is about to get dry. I can try this also here. Or the piece of cloth will also look great. I think it will be better. Switch on to piece of cloth. Very easily get pasted. And a look of cloth will definitely add on to beauty. So finally, I decided to switch on to this. With help of Fevicol, finally, okay, yeah, I will put Fevicol, and just to show cloth below. This is optional, huh? This is not compulsory. This is just optional. If you simply want to make a face and you don't want to make all these things, you can definitely do that. Okay? It's completely optional. Extra you can cut, or you can simply put it inside and arrange. Finishing is very important, right? Yeah, and this is the way I completed cloth this side. Have you all done this much? Acha, our every artwork is having a lovely story. Even today's drawing nahi, craft is having a lovely story. So as you are making a farmer, a man with like cloth overhead, farmers normally do this. So our story is about a farmer. So this farmer's name is Ramesh in our story. Okay. So Ramesh's father, like he was born in a very poor family where father and mother, they were working whole day. They were having a very small piece of land and a water pond they were having. And their land was not at all fertile. It was able to grow one special kind of grass. And this story is available on my YouTube channel also. When you start observing, when you are determined to be victorious and you start converting your challenges into your victories, then the life change completely. This we want to show. And here I want to show extremely happy eyes. So once your color is dry, you can either use your marker pen, your brush pen, you can use that, and you will be making your eyes. You can either make open eyes or you can make closed eyes. So if you want to make open eyes, so you can use your marker pen, and closed eyes also you will use. So I want to show very happy face. Acha, if you want to make a nose, you can put a circle here. I will be making, I'll take marker pen. You can take your brush pen also. With permanent marker pen, what will happen? It will be completely, yeah, I will simply make it dark. And here also, I will be making eye. Eyebrows, we will be making little bushy as we are making a male face. And you can make nose. Very simple. L-shaped nose. Okay. And bushy eyebrows. Bushy eyebrows because we are making a male face. So we will be making bushy eyebrows. Now, if you're making a female figure, so in that case, what you will do, you can put two flowers, two earrings, broken earrings you can use for making two earrings. If you're making a lady with complete jewelry, so all discarded jewelry you can do pasting over. And you will put cloth in scarf look. So here as this is, and bushy, we will make eyebrows bushy, little thick. And I'm using my permanent marker pen. You can use your brush pen also. Your sketch pen you can use for making it. So I made a nose and eyes like this. I want to show happy eyes. Same in material list, bottle and everything was mentioned. And here, like if acrylic colors you want to use with earbud, and if you want to use ear acrylic colors, I switch on to this color because many small and young kids are there. You can take earbud, and I will show with acrylic colors also. I mentioned colors. So with acrylic colors, you will take earbud, and with acrylic color, the same could be made with acrylic colors also. Brush pens, you will find easy to do, and the finishing will also come. So you will take black, and you will simply move over. With earbud, you will be doing, okay? And that's why we kept our eyes simple and showed closed eyes. It will not only show happy eyes, but at the same time, yes. So see, this is the way we completed face. Clay was also, magic clay was also mentioned in the material list. Okay, can I check the material? How it turned out? Everyone? Wonderful. Wonderful. Lovely. Even the mustache with clay, you did so well. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah. Now, last but not the least. Okay. Now, here, if you feel that you want to make few more things, you can try that ways. And as I told you, if you want to show sunglasses, if you want to show glasses also for that, in that case, you will put see, I will show how you're going to show that. Although it was not mentioned in material list, glasses was not mentioned in material list because many of you are not having that kind of glass. So this is just an idea. Okay, this is just an idea that if you have, then you can use it. And there are many things which I suggested that was not mentioned in material list. These are just suggestions. We keep our material list very simple so that easy to arrange. And if you feel you want to do it afterwards, in the end, you will be doing, you can simply put sunglass also and you can simply do its pasting afterwards. Okay, you can do this only when once it is done. Okay, so sunglasses are completely optional. We are not going to put any sunglass. And now I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show me once how it turned out? Yes. And now here, if you will remove mustache, if you will keep your cloth like a scarf, beautiful scarf, you will put a big flower on side for decorating. You will put earrings on both the sides, so it will become a female. Okay? Yes. So female I taught many times before. So today I decided I will cover up one male character. Okay? Okay. Now after this, what you'll do? you will take this kind of cloth. And we have many times this waste cloths we have available. And so I will take this cloth and this cloth I have. What you will do, you will simply take your bottle and you will keep your cloth backside. Okay, you will keep your cloth backside. And now color is also dry by this time. And now what you will do, you will simply tie it overhead and let it come overhead. And farmers, and many times in style, like when we visit, when we are dancing on some folk dance, we tie cloth pieces. So here I want to give the look of a farmer. I will simply put this cloth and see this ways I used one waste cloth also. See, this ways. You can put it and arrange it accordingly. And afterwards, you will put little Fevicol and you will simply do its pasting. Once you arrange and after that, you simply put Fevicol and press it so this cloth will get fixed at place where it is. If you want to make a turban, you want to make a pagadi, you can make a pagadi also. So now you will fix it all over nicely. And this is your bottle craft ready. Now you can fill water and you can grow money plant inside, or you can simply place it anywhere in your garden. And if you have any planter, in that you can just place it as a like kind of accessory and all. If you want to put buttons, you can take some buttons and you can put two buttons to show dress. In your own ways, you can make it looking beautiful. Okay, you can put even lace if you want to give a festive look. And this is the way. And this ways you can convert any kind of carton, any kind of box, any kind of small or big bottle, even this much small bottle. And you can make a cute little farmer of this kind, because the method is very simple. And mustache, if you don't have, then you can use acrylic colors. Acrylic colors, cloth, colorful cloth, bottle, this all was mentioned in material list. Other material which I'm suggesting, like glasses and all, this is just a suggestion. Okay, so please don't get confused. That is not something needed. Okay, that is just a suggestion. Yes, and now, yes, all of you finish. I will complete my story quickly. So the son of Ramesh, he was very good at studies, and Ramesh decided that farming is having no profit. So I will make my son study a lot and will send it somewhere for doing job. But son was interested in farming. So he selected this subject, horticulture and farming agriculture as subject. And finally, he reached to village. And at the place of doing job for someone, he decided to return back to his land where other farmers. This complete village was having land which was not good for growing crops, but a very special kind of grass was growing in this particular area, which was hollow, which was just like a pipe, and an abundant of grass, and quickly it was growing. The land was very much suitable for this special grass. And the son of Ramesh, and the name is Rahul. Rahul studies this grass and decided to make straw because he target the problem of market that paper straws. So again, they become very like soft when you dip it in water. Plastic straws, they are creating pollution. So if I will use this grass as straw, it can change the life of complete village. And he simply reached to a juice seller and requested to keep and give some samples, and he adopted. And then slowly these straws, other juice sellers, they also started demanding, and finally export. It reached to international level where people are crazy about this kind of natural things, and the complete villagers, they started growing this kind of crops, and they started selling that grass as straws. And little study, little education, little research can change the challenges into opportunities. This story is available on my YouTube channel. By the time I will share my artworks, okay, when you all are doing this, I will love to show my artworks. So we will start with pre-junior batch. With pre-junior batch, we will start our work. By the time when it is getting dry, I will simply keep it here so that it can get dry quickly. And I will show the artworks which we normally cover up. So see, we have 3 batches available in our regular classes. And the students are completing work. So let's complete this also. So we have 3 batches available in our regular classes, pre-junior, junior, and senior batches. So I will start with the artworks of pre-junior batch. In this, we have 3.5 to 7 years old children. Okay, and here we teach with help of letters, numbers, and shapes. So here I will show the kind of artworks we cover up. So this is Kashmir, and different kind of houses, different kind of birds we cover up, and a different kind of helpers. And these are with basic structure, with limited lines. And these all artworks are with very limited lines, which I'm showing to you. Okay? And different kind of modes of transport, butterfly, World Zebra Day, we cover it up. And these are the artworks which I cover up in my regular sessions of pre-junior batch. It means 3.5 to 4 years to 7 years old. Okay, impression art, different animals, different poster makings, different national symbols, national flower, national animal, different flowers we cover up. You know? And we cover up different landscapes, different birds, different good habits, this kind of figures like where magical characters, this all we cover up. Some folk arts, poster makings, India is spreading the message of peace. My dream house, chocolate and ice cream house, and a unit in diversity, Lohri, geometric shape for making underwater world, landscape. In this, we learn clay house, mud house. This is kacha house, impression art with tissue paper ball and finger. Festival, national symbol, that is national bird, national tree, endangered animal, koala, our helpers, nurse, and this kind of objects also we cover up, like ice cream and this is these are the artworks of our junior batch. Okay. And now I will show artworks of junior batches. Junior batches at to 10 old. We have 7 years to 10. I will show the artworks of junior batch as well. I will find out a little space for myself so that I can show the artworks. Yeah. So here in this is now a batch of 8 years to 7 years. Here also we cover up all different anatomies. Like you can see, this is elephant, zebra, we teach how to draw male and female figure also we teach. We teach impression art, we personify a tree and this. And we start teaching face study also, Lord Shiva's face, our helpers drawing. Figures also we start teaching. This is Madhubani art. This nature art also we start covering up from this batch. This kind of poster makings are voting right, and a watercolor technique, coffee painting. We start teaching coffee painting from junior batches. So this is a coffee painting, and different animals we try to cover up. And this is underwater world and submarine. We try to show different geometric shapes. Pencil shading also we start teaching from junior batch. It means 8 years to 10 years. Figures we start teaching. This is pen art. Yes, we start teaching pen art also. This is also pen art. This is also pen art. And with pen also we start teaching. Abstract art here you can see when artist is lost in the world of music. One more coffee painting. One more pencil shading. And different festivals we cover up. My birthday, this is impression art, the tissue paper impression, 1 point perspective drawing. My pet, and a life before internet, pencil shedding again. And this is drawing on Onam, pencil shedding and colors. This is clean sources of energy. And we have many more. You can see this is abstract art. Then we have Friendship Day special drawing. This is Rakhi special artwork. This is Independence Day special artwork. This is figure of animal painting with fingers. And this is Ganesh Chaturthi special, Hindi Divas special artwork. This is World Tourism Day special artwork. These artworks I already covered up. Okay, I'm showing them. Maya Yashoda and Kanha, Underwater World. This is Diwali, coffee painting, watercolor wet and wet technique, and so on. Chalo. So first, I will request all the uh, yes, I'll request all uh, children to call their moms so that one very important offer I can announce about. So I will request all of you to call your moms, okay, so that I can share about this offer, and then we will go for uh, parents, like a little communication with children and parents. Okay, yes, please call your mom. Thank you so much, moms, for your valuable time. Wanted to share about this offer. This is offer of the, just a minute. Yes, I wanted to share about this offer. And this offer is specially for the students who want to learn from us for long run, like for 6 months or 1 year. And we come up with this kind of offer so that long-term learning could be absolutely budget friendly for you and no burden over your pockets. Now here you can see if you go for yearly plan at place of 12,000, it is just 6,400. It means complete discount of 50%, and same in case of 6 months. If you want to secure your seat and want to take benefit of this offer, kindly contact on this number. This is 9528379143. And you will find a resource person available on this number from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Even on Sundays. You can contact with them, talk with them, know more about our classes. You can take benefit of this offer. And after class, please don't forget to share your artwork on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number, 936-894-0097. I review each and every artwork on this number. Thank you so much. And now, I want to see how your work turned out. Will you please lift up your files and show me how it turned out? Wow, very good. With your small, small hands, you really created a wonderful masterpiece. And the changes which you made, these are really praiseworthy. Lovely. And I'm very more than happy to see like you use the material available in your treasure box, and output is great. And today what we did, see, we are so many. 936, no, this is a correct number. This number. And 936-894-0097. I review artworks every day on this number. And or my regular classes also, I review each and every artwork on this number. Share, this is my WhatsApp number. Okay? So you can get connected, and this is number of my team on which you can. Harmeet, on this number, don't call, because I take class also with same number. So I don't attend call on this number. You can share your artwork only, because when we start receiving during class hour also, people start calling, and that disturb the class. So I don't attend any call, but yeah, on WhatsApp you can share. Okay. Okay. So now, do you want to see my senior batch artworks as well? How many of you? Show your thumbs up. Okay, no. Now I will request moms. I will request my team to spotlight few moms so that we can have idea about their feedback. Few artworks and a very few I will show of senior batch, so that little about these artworks also you will understand, because many students want to know about it. So yes, or in the end I will show. Now I will request Mitra S. Please try to unmute yourself. After that, Ruvanshi. We will switch on to Ruvanshi Chaudhary. Okay, we will love to have your feedback, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. You both have spotlight and you have that access to unmute yourself. Hello? Yeah, Ruvanshi, Chaudhary and Mitra. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Hello,
Hello?
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. How are you, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Ruanshi Chaudhary's mother. This session was really nice and really appreciable. I really like this session. And one thing I want to ask, ma'am, please share all the materials details before the classes.
Yeah, ma'am, it was already shared and many, quite
No,
a,
I was not in any group, so it was.
yeah.
I find difficulties to arrange all the
Uh,
materials.
actually, we are sharing this material list since long. And
Okay.
many days before, and everything was clearly mentioned. Yeah, but few things like as I shared that if you have wool, you can make hair. These are just suggestions. We didn't mention this in material list because many times what happened when we mention all the materials to kids start panicking for having lots of things. So we mentioned very limited things, but those were suggested, and material list was floated enough in advance.
So I was registered yesterday only, so maybe I didn't get
Okay,
any
okay.
material list.
Okay, okay. I will
Anyways,
tell my
I
team to
really want to continue the
connect you.
session. It was really nice. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Uh, thank, thank you so much. Will I be able to see the craft which she created today?
She was not able to do the craft correctly because she was no. We didn't get the material.
Okay, but
I'm waiting for the
but your
phone call. I didn't arrange at the moment, so I'm so sorry
yeah,
for
yeah, it
that.
happened. No, ma'am, we try to share it at least 4 to 5 days before,
Okay.
and I will tell my team to connect you in the group so that because you are interested in upcoming craft sessions also, so you will get material list enough in advance then.
But
Yeah.
please, ma'am, add me in the group also.
Yeah. Sure, sure. My team
Thank
is
you,
already
ma'am.
there. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request Mitra and Naira Bansal. Please try to unmute yourself. Mitra S. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Naira Bansal, please try to unmute yourself. You both are having this access so that we can have your feedback. Uh,
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine. You tell, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please.
Naira is already enrolled in your junior batch
Acha.
and she is taking classes. She improved a lot.
Okay, improved a lot. Okay, and joyfully
Yes,
she's
we
attending class.
junior batch 3 to 4.
Acha, nahi,
She is attended from, yes.
Acha. Joyfully
It's
she's
only
attending.
15 days and she improved a lot. She's
Okay.
taking interest and doing very well.
Okay. No, ma'am, I wanted to ask that is she attending classes joyfully or you have to
Yes, ma'am.
pressurize?
Yes, ma'am. She is attending it joyfully. She always take interest before the class. She always try to join 10 minutes before the
Oh,
class.
wow, that's amazing. Ma'am, what about today's craft? Like these are efforts to reuse things so that we can save environment. And this Sunday's session, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Wonderful efforts.
Some things
Lovely.
is not available, so that's why she is trying to do this way.
You can, this cloth and all, if you don't have, this can be pasted afterwards also. But
Yeah,
the
yeah.
basic idea, once student have the basic idea, na, then they can add on so many things and can reuse many bottles.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Are you happy
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
satisfied with RGO classes?
Yes, ma'am. Very satisfied. Even day before yesterday, I applied for 6 month extended.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh, Thank you. Now I will request to Aishwarya and Harmeet. Yes. Please try to unmute yourself. You both are having the success. Aishwarya and Harmeet Kaur.
Yeah,
Uh,
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. How
Good
are you,
evening.
Harmeet? How
I
are
am
you?
good, ma'am. I'm fine.
Yes.
I joined, ma'am. It is my third class. So
Okay.
Ashmi is enjoying very much, ma'am. She has made this.
Wow. Wow. This is
Yeah,
so beautiful.
and
So neat and refined.
one more thing that yesterday's class.
Wow, so neat and so
She
perfect every
is
part of the way.
enjoying a lot. You know, she waits for you. When I say, ma'am, Mama 6:30 kab hoga, Mama 6:30, she is in pre-junior batch,
Yeah.
MWF.
Wow. Ma'am, one
Hello.
more. Yes, yes, you're audible. Ma'am, I want to ask one more thing. Like, it will
Yeah,
clear the doubts of many other parents. Definitely, this doubt, as your child is very young, would have come in your mind also. That will my child be able to learn online without physical presence? So, what is your
yeah, she is
experience?
learning. She is responding. Yeah, she is
Okay.
learning, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
And our craft session, she's enjoying them also?
Yeah, ma'am, not so much because, ma'am, actually the material was not there. So,
Okay. Okay,
yeah,
so yeah, like
like
many
this.
problem, many parents are facing this problem that material is like they are not having available. Okay, we will
Yeah,
try to
yes, ma'am.
float it more than advance, like 1 week before then, now
No problem,
onwards.
ma'am. No problem, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Are you satisfied with RGO classes?
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And the work she did is beautiful. You can find out cloth
Yeah.
afterwards, a piece of cloth, and you can put it afterwards. Okay, thank
Okay,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
And now I
Welcome.
will request Aishwarya and Gavya. Gavya Dikshit, please try to unmute yourself. You both are spotlight. Yes, will you
Hi, ma'am.
please unmute yourself?
Aishwarya. Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Yes,
ma'am.
hello.
Good
How are
evening.
you, ma'am?
I'm fine,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Good evening. Okay, ma'am, please
Yeah.
share your feedback.
My son is enjoying your classes, ma'am, and also story classes at night time. That is so encourageable for my son. And also it improved the English communication skills to improve a lot for my kids. We are from the south region, so our my mother tongue is Telugu. And also we are from small town like Eluri in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
But he's improving a lot, and also he's learning good manners, and he's very interested in classes. Thank you so
Wow.
much, madam. And
Thank you
also for
so
the
much.
offer, I have enrolled for 3 months
Okay.
classes.
Uh,
Thank you for
and
the offer, also, madam. Thank you so
okay,
much.
okay. He's able to absorb all the instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Are you happy with the audio classes?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Are you
And
happy? Say hi
what?
to ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, my dear. Are you enjoying classes?
Yes.
Okay. This is all because you're a good artist. You know? You have that love for art. That's why you're enjoying. Lots
Yeah,
of
even
blessings.
younger one also very interested. He also used to draw.
He's my future student. Ma'am, please keep sharing his artworks also, even though scribbling. I will love to share my feedback for
Actually, I'm
that
out
too.
of town. I'm out of town, ma'am. So all his material at my home. I came to my mother's place.
Acha, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share the
Yes,
art
thank
craft
you.
on number I shared.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. I will
Okay.
request Gavya Dikshit and Tejaswini. Tejaswini Pathak. You both have spotlight. Try to unmute yourself.
Okay, Gavya. Say hello to
Hello, hello,
Mami.
ma'am. Hello, Gavya.
Hello. Hello. Hi. So, ma'am, actually, the materials that you had listed now, we were not having those material. Actually, the
Ach-
bottle and especially, the bottle and the cloth and everything. So I just tried her to make just on the paper, just like that. So she tried
Acha.
and it is just 5 year
Wow,
old.
this is also a very good idea.
Yeah. So Gavya, show it to ma'am. Do it fast.
Wow, this
Somehow
is
she did it.
such a colorful card.
Yes, so this is just she tried. This is the very first time, such online classes. So we just, thought that I would make her
Ah.
do.
We are having this kind of classes and we keep it very simple so that even a child can prepare. And this is
Yes,
just an
yes,
effort towards saving environment so that they can start reusing things.
exactly,
So,
exactly.
and keeping in mind about the material list, we will float the list enough in advance, and all
Yes,
the parents
ma'am.
we will add them in a group so that they all can get material list
Yeah,
enough in
because ma'am,
advance.
initially I thought that this class is for like for the elder kids, because I had enrolled in the 4 to 7 because she's 5 year old. So initially I thought,
Ah,
because I was not having like the bottle and all, so initially I thought that it's for elder kids, because the material that you had mentioned on the message, I was having all of that, but not the bottle and the art craft material. Basically the crayons,
okay.
colors, brush pens and everything was there, but not
Hmm.
this. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I would
No,
request
ma'am,
you, like, next time.
now onwards we will float and we will add the parents in group so that they will not miss any message. And enough in advance, we will share material so that you can get it arranged. And
Right, ma'am.
this could be used for best out of waste project also, where when children are asked to join.
Right,
Okay,
right, ma'am. Sure, sure.
okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you.
Thank
I will request Tejaswini Pathak and afterwards Tanishka Gupta. And you both have spotlight. Try to unmute yourself, ma'am. Yes, hello. Tejaswini and Tanishka Gupta. Please try to unmute yourself. I think some technical issue. And Anvi Kothari, please try to spotlight Neha so that we can talk. And we have Fariza Fatma. You can spotlight. We are fortunate enough to have dad also to have the feedback. Please spotlight them, Neha. And Shreyans Bhatkar also.
Ma'am, I am
These three names. Hello,
uh,
ma'am.
hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I am unable to find those customers. Can you please just tell them to raise their hands?
Please raise your hands. The names like. Raise your hands so that my team can spotlight you. And yeah, Shriyansh Barkar. Please try to unmute yourself. Fortunately, we have dad also. You're fortunate enough. Sir, hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, he has already joined junior, senior, not senior, above junior batch. So he has
Okay,
attended,
acha.
I think, 5 to 6 sessions already, and he is enjoying a lot.
Okay. And are you getting all my instructions, my dear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
enjoying classes? Are you enjoying
I
all the
love your
classes?
basic. Yes, ma'am.
Acha.
And
That's
and ma'am, I love your basic structure trick. It is very well.
very helpful for you. Yeah, that is actually the way of developing the artwork. Very good, my dear. You are enjoying classes. It shows how amazing artist you are. Sir, what is your feedback? We will love to listen from you also. Because parents' feedback always help us checking and improving ourselves.
Yeah, ma'am. Earlier, I thought that online class, how much improvement will be there. But yeah, I think he is improving a lot. So his drawing has improved, and also he shows interest. He likes drawing, but as there is a group, he loves to do something and follow instructions. And your instructions are also very easy, so he is able
Okay.
to do it, and he has done a lot of good drawings, lot of
Okay. So are you
improvement.
happy and satisfied with growth like in these
Yes, yes, ma'am.
days?
He is able to do this also, ma'am. Very
Wow,
good.
very good. Very nice. Good efforts. Once they know the technique, now afterwards they keep trying and they add on with their own creativity. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, sir. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Saisha Goel also spotlight Neha because Saisha Goel, raise your hand so that we can, like you requested to. Yes, now Fariza, Fatma, and Deepika Tank. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello,
Good evening.
hello, hello. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I am fine. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, please share your feedback.
Yeah, Fariza is very excited while your class is going on, and
Okay.
we have not. Did not given any prescription for the list today's list, so we have get very much difficulty. and she has
Hmm.
this type of bottle today.
Okay, but still the efforts. Like student is sitting
Yeah,
for 1 hour and trying to get things and making
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Now you will see as you're going to get the recording, she'll be able to do better when she will be having everything available. And so this is the best part. And
Yeah, yeah.
efforts are good, my dear Fariza. For me, your efforts, your valuable efforts counts. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Acha,
And what is the process going on, ma'am, in his drawing classes, in her drawing classes?
she's doing great. And
Okay.
I'm able to see she's like she's lost in world of colors. Like normally we feel na that
Yeah, yeah.
children they don't listen in online class, but I've seen students are lost. They're listening at the same time they're doing the work. So this coordination of ears, eyes, hands, like maximum sense organs, this is the growth which I've seen in online classes in every child. And so
She
please, huh.
she was very interested since childhood, ma'am,
Okay,
in
that's
drawing.
amazing. That's
And we've been
amazing.
searching for online drawing classes from half an year.
Acha, okay.
And
Okay.
last we got your application.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And please keep
And we
sharing.
are much satisfied from your classes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And you're doing great. Okay, Fariza, when you will get all the material, Mehna, try to make it again. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Now I will request Deepika, Saisha Goyal, we have. And those who
Hello.
want to. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Thank
evening.
you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Naira was very interested in arts and crafts since childhood. When she's very much into, painting and drawing and all, but she didn't had a proper guidance. Matlab, she used to
Okay.
draw roughly and all. But yeah, within a few classes, I could see, the drastic change. She's sitting for 1 hour continuously in a place. Maybe she's enjoying that. That's why. And she's doing very well. I can show you some of her work. I don't know why
Wow,
it is.
very good. Yeah, it is blur, but I can understand. This is chameleon we covered up. Yeah, artworks are looking. And ma'am,
Yeah.
are you sharing the very good, very nice
She's
structure? Yes,
enjoying
lovely.
it. Yeah, she's getting an idea of painting and the palette, where to draw, where to make it a dark shade, where to make it a light shade, and also she's picking it up very nicely.
So, are you happy and satisfied?
I'm really satisfied, and I'm looking forward to enroll her for furthermore for 6 months or a year in this. She was telling me now only, I want to continue it further.
Okay, ma'am. And yes, one thing which I keep asking to, although almost every parent, that definitely this doubt would be there in your mind also. Online is a successful platform or not, especially for drawing. So through you, I really want all other young
Yes.
moms also to understand. So what happened when you attended for the first time? Definitely this doubt must have come in your mind also.
Yes.
So
But she's speaking it very well. Even though it is an online mode, she's speaking it very well.
okay, and ma'am, please keep sharing artworks of her on my personal WhatsApp number so that I can share my feedback
Sure,
and
ma'am.
suggestion. Okay, thank you so much. And Deep,
Sure,
you're
ma'am.
doing
Sure.
great. You're doing great, my dear. Very well done. Lots of blessings. Take care. Thank you. I will request Eva. I can see cute little craft in her hand. Eva, we have Saisha Goyal. Eric, please try to unmute yourself. Yeah, you all are spotlight. You have that access. Try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, Saisha?
Fine.
You enjoyed the session?
Yes.
Very good. Show me your craft. Lovely. Great efforts. With whatever you have available, you did great.
Ma'am,
Huh?
I made this.
Very nice. Your efforts are truly praiseworthy, my dear. Very well done. Share all your artworks on this number. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review each and every artwork. Okay, you're doing great, Saisha. Lots of blessings. And I can see beautiful craft in hands of Eva. Like such amazing eyes and all. Eva, try to unmute yourself. Eric, you are also spotlight. Shreya Anand, please spotlight Shreya Anand also. Neha, raise your hand, Nana, so that we can spotlight you. Eva, try to unmute yourself. I think some technical issue.
Thank
Besides
you.
this, we have yellow. Okay, yeah, now I can hear you. I enjoyed the session, my dear.
Yeah.
And this is
Yeah,
so
it was
beautiful,
nice.
like eyes and everything you did so well. It's lovely.
Thank
Wonderful.
you, ma'am.
Please do share on WhatsApp, okay, my dear?
Okay.
Okay, now I will request, we have Shreya Anand, Aradhya Singh, Eric, these all are spotlight. Try to unmute yourself, so that we can talk and we can have your feedback.
You
talk.
Yeah. Hello, Shreya.
Hello.
How are you?
Nice.
You enjoyed the session?
Yes.
Like the session? Now you're going to use many bottles, waste bottles, and convert them in something creative like this?
Yes.
Okay, don't forget to share your craft, okay? Okay, very good. Now I will request Eric and Aradhya to unmute. Aradhya, sing. Please try to unmute yourself. And Eric, try to unmute yourself.
Yes,
Eric,
ma'am.
Eric, show your work. Wonderful. Great efforts. Enjoyed the session, Eric?
Yes, ma'am. I love
Okay.
that session.
Okay, now you're going to cover up you will use many bottles and make them in lovely bottle craft, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Enjoyed the session, Eric?
Yes, ma'am. I enjoyed it a lot.
Very good. You did excellent work. Do share it on my personal WhatsApp number, okay?
Sure, ma'am.
I will request Aradhya Singh to unmute. And then we have Deepika. Deepika also. Hello, ma'am. Very good. Very nice. And the shape of lips, it's so okay. Complete pair. Lovely.
This
Great
is made
effort.
by my little son.
It is so, like, I can see the
And
level
this
of
is made by
creativity.
Aradhya.
Very good. And the lips, the shape of lips for making face, wonderful.
Yeah, thank you
So
so
you
much
enjoyed
for all your
Aradhya?
guidance, ma'am, that she is doing great. And she has also joined your pre-junior batch where she has drawn this last, like I think Saturday's batch.
Wow, this is senior batch out there.
Yeah, and after seeing that, even my son drawed this one.
But he's doing great. Like I can see. This is amazing and outstanding. I'll have to say this is artist family.
Yeah.
Wow. Great. Very good. Shape of face you need to revise. Okay.
Do we have
Wonderful.
any,
Ma'am, are you happy?
ma'am, do we have
Are you
any
happy and
creative
satisfied?
sessions as such in classes also? Like, do we have any?
See, if you want to learn, like I have covered up almost every kind of craft, may be cover pages or tray gardens or leaf art. You will find these classes available on our Artgeo shop. This is
Okay.
our website, and you can select any you like and want to learn, canvas paintings and what not. There is hardly any craft which I have not covered up.
Okay. So in Artgeo on YouTube, ma'am?
No, you will have to visit our artgeo.shop. If you will search it on Google, you will find. This is our website, and there you will find like all the craft sessions. Like these are my actual classes, recorded classes, which are available on Artgeo shop. So we simply place it there. So if you feel that child want to make cover pages, and these are holidays. So lovely cover pages, how to cover up different subjects and make cover pages of projects. This also I taught there. So
Okay.
collage,
So
kids, tray gardens.
can you paste in chat, ma'am, that
Yeah.
website link? What did you say? Artgeo.shop.
Artgeo.shop.
Okay. SHO.
Artgeo is the name of a class. SHOP, shop.
Okay, got it. Thank you, ma'am.
There you will find countless crafts available. Okay.
पूछिए
Thank
ना,
you so
क्या
much.
पूछना है?
हाँ बताओ कुछ पूछना है बेटा?
आराध्या, पूछिए.
Ma'am, I have also joined your pre-junior batch.
Acha.
Yeah, like
Junior batch.
Okay.
Junior batch.
Okay, okay, okay.
Junior batch.
Okay, you are
thank you,
doing
ma'am.
great. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Now I will request Avankshara Tiwari. Such lovely names. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Show.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Show your craft with orange pagadi. It's looking great. Wonderful, lovely. Ma'am, please do share your feedback.
Sure, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, we want to register. We have already registered. Now it got expired. Again, we want to register. We want to register for 6 months to 1 year. So we are
Okay.
waiting for any you sometimes give some the offers and all, no, ma'am, during festival times
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
I shared
Huh.
just now, na, ma'am. See, I shared just now. And about this
Okay.
offer, like here it is 50% discount
Yeah,
is
that's why.
available.
So either 6 months or 1 year package we want to take, ma'am. So we were
Okay.
waiting for that package.
Okay. These are already available. And ma'am, are you satisfied with Arjo classes?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. Seeing her artwork, I am also learning. I am also a teacher. See,
Ach-
ma'am, this is my artwork, which I have learned from your classes.
Wow, that's
To decorate my
amazing.
class, I have done this.
Wow,
This is another one, ma'am, which you have
great,
already,
wonderful.
like in pre-junior batch, you have shown this. I did it for
Wow,
my
very,
class also
wow,
because I am
lovely.
also a teacher. I also need. So I am also learning along with her, ma'am.
Okay, that's amazing, ma'am. And ma'am, this
Thank you
doubt,
so
like,
much, ma'am.
thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, please do share about what is the impact of stories. Like our every artwork is having a story behind. So what you like?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you able to
Their
see some?
concentration level will increase, ma'am. Ability to concentrate will increase.
Yeah, that's amazing, ma'am. Please do share your feedback and the craft on WhatsApp number which I shared. Thank you so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
for your
Sure, ma'am.
lovely feedback. Thank you so much,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And even you are
Thank
amazing
you, ma'am.
artist, I'll have to say. You did
No,
great
ma'am. I'm
work,
just
my
a
dear.
beginner.
No, but great work. This is great work. Thank you so much. I will
Okay.
request Girisha. Akansha, your name is Akansha. Akansha, very good, my dear. I will request Girisha, then Mishika, that Ayansh Tiwari. You all are spotlight. You can unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm
Am I
fine.
audible?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, please do share your feedback
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
and show your craft you did
Thank you,
today.
ma'am, for your guidance. Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Lovely. Great efforts, my dear. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Mishika Verma. Try to unmute yourself, then you will come on Ayansh Tiwari. I can see a cute craft. Ma'am, please try
Good
to
evening.
unmute yourself. Hello, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Firstly, ma'am, we have taken your demo class, and in that you have teach us.
Wow, such amazing coffee painting.
Yes.
Wow.
And after this, today we have painted this.
Wow, very good. Lovely. It's a lovely craft. And now today you did it with whatever you were having available. Now what
Yes,
will happen?
material is, ma'am, a little bit issue because we have to find it in between because
Maybe
firstly we are not clear with the what material we need to.
I will do one thing now onwards. I will make a small video of material so that you can visualize. And I think that, and we will try to share it enough in advance. And I'll tell my team to connect all the numbers, add all the numbers which are available today, and in group so that the moment we will float the list, you will get it and you will be able to manage for that.
And ma'am, we are really enjoying your teaching style of art. She is very much into it.
Acha. And are you able to see the shift of improvement in her drawing skills?
मैम उसका हमेशा ही थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट रहता ही है आर्ट में जैसे बच्चे मतलब क्लास से भी काफी कुछ आर्ट मटेरियल का
अच्छा
है
और
तो
मैम मैं ये भी जानना चाहती
काफी आपकी मैं आपको ड्राइंग
हाँ वाह बहुत सुंदर
तो इनका
बहुत बढ़िया
इंक्रीज होता है बट एक्चुअली इतना अच्छे एक्सपोजर हमें शायद नहीं मिल पाता तो आई हैव सीन योर पोस्ट ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम तो आपका वहाँ पे टीचिंग स्टाइल काफी अच्छा लगा, वीडियोस मैंने देखी कुछ, तो हमने सोचा कि व्हाई नॉट ट्राई. Firstly, we have joined for only 1 month, but now I'm see how it will
अच्छा ये
goes. Nice.
हाँ
Then we can
हाँ
also
मैम
go
एक
for 6 months.
अच्छा मैम और एक चीज ma'am, one more thing which I want through you, which will clear doubts of others also.
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
Am I audible?
Now you are audible.
हाँ या मैम, तो इसको लेके आपका क्या रहा फीडबैक, क्योंकि ये डाउट सबसे पहले हर पेरेंट के मन में आता है कि
Actually, we are
ऑनलाइन.
not able to hear you before, ma'am.
अच्छा
Whatever you
मैम,
are.
यस आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि पेरेंट्स के मन में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यही आता है कि ऑनलाइन क्लास में बच्चा कैसे सीखेगा. मैम की फिजिकल प्रेजेंस नहीं है ना, मैम एक्सेस नहीं देती हैं कि बच्चे अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर पाए. ये डाउट हमेशा होगा और कई न्यू पेरेंट्स जो पहली बार हमारे साथ आज कनेक्ट हुए हैं उनके मन में भी डाउट होगा कि कैसे बच्चा सीखेगा, 1 घंटे तक बैठेगा भी या नहीं. इसको लेके आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है?
मैम ये डाउट तो शायद हमेशा सभी को रहता ही है कि 1 आवर में सीख पाएगा, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकली शायद जो हम प्रैक्टिकली चीजें सीखते हैं वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट रहता है और ऑनलाइन का थोड़ा मतलब एक डाउट रहता है. बट
हाँ
जैसे एक्चुअली आज इन्होंने ड्रॉ किया है तो ये डाउट तो थोड़ा क्लियर हो ही रहा है कि नहीं, इजी है, मतलब सीख पाएंगे इजीली ऑनलाइन.
अच्छा, और 1 घंटे तक बैठते भी हैं?
हाँ, बैठ इंटरेस्ट है, मतलब आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ऑल आर हियर ना.
हाँ
तो आर्ट में अगर किसी का इंटरेस्ट है इतना ज्यादा तो 1 आवर तक तो बैठेंगे, मुझे लगता है, जहां तक मतलब एटलीस्ट मेरी डॉटर के साथ तो ऐसा है, उसको तो बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है आर्ट में, वो तो
ओके
1 आवर से ज्यादा भी बैठेगी अगर बैठना
अच्छा
पड़े.
ओके.
बाकी
और मैम आप मिशिका के सारे आर्टवर्क्स मेरे साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, है ना,
हाँ जी, हाँ
ताकि
जी.
हाँ, क्योंकि मेरे अप्रिसिएशन और सजेशंस भी बच्चे तक पहुंचना बहुत जरूरी है.
और
ओके,
मैम
थैंक
ये
यू सो.
बहुत अच्छा, आई थिंक ये प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा है जो आपने क्रिएट किया है, क्योंकि अभी समर वेकेशन जैसे आई है तो बच्चे वैसे भी पेरेंट्स को परेशान करने वाले, और आर्ट जो इनके इंटरेस्ट का एक आर्ट एक्टिविटीज का है और आप इतना अच्छा सिखा रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है. थैंक यू वेरी
ओके,
मच.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक
थैंक
यू.
यू.
थैंक यू. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट आयांश तिवारी. आयांश तिवारी, मैं देख पा रही हूँ आपकी क्राफ्ट, योर लवली क्राफ्ट. प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Hello.
हेलो
Hi,
मैम.
ma'am.
हेलो, हाउ आर यू मैम?
Yeah, I'm good. So yeah, this is his second class. He's already enrolled in junior junior class.
अच्छा
Yeah. And
अच्छा.
first thing he made was this coffee painting.
Wow, it's so beautiful. They
Yeah.
created masterpiece, really.
Great turned out. And today
Wow.
he made this one.
Wow, very good efforts.
Yeah.
Lovely. Lovely efforts. Very good.
Yeah. So
So, ma'am, are you satisfied with 2 classes like he attended? So, what you observe?
yeah, he can sit through actually, and he likes to. He sort of struggles, so I have to jump in because
अच्छा.
I think it is because it's his second class and he doesn't know the flow. As soon as he starts, I think after 3-4 classes that will rectify by itself. So
Yeah,
the
and for
experience is
this one more thing is going to help him out. That is practice. And if you feel that like after some time he is left behind, so practice if he'll revise the artwork, so you will see within few classes, like 2 or 3 classes, he will be able to cope up with the speed and will be able to do it completely independently. So revision, that's why we are providing recording of every class to every child with lifetime validity. So
yes, but
revision will for sure help.
the thing with kids are कि मैम आगे चलेगा मैं पीछे रह गया वाला सीन है. So I jump in and then he catches up. It's not a big deal. And even
Yeah.
I am
Okay.
I'm loving the experience of playing through colors again. So it's great. Actually, it's going great, and that's why we have enrolled for a 3-month course in junior batch.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And artworks are really amazing. And please do share it on WhatsApp also so that I can share my appreciations and suggestions as well.
Yeah, your personal number I couldn't note actually.
Yeah, this one. This
Can you
is
show
my
it
personal
again?
WhatsApp
It
number.
goes away so fast.
Yeah,
just
I will
give
tell my
me-
team to tag this number. This is already in description actually. But Neha ma'am, please
Okay.
share this number with everyone and even the link of Arjio shop where all our craft classes are available. And now Aryaveer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Aryaveer Singh. Ma'am, after that we can wind up because students are already sitting for long. And if other parents like Rajvi Patil, we can see, please spotlight them. And
Wanted to show my artwork. If I'm
yes,
audible.
it's such amazing creativity. Lovely.
Thank
Although
you.
your camera is quite blurred.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Yes, good efforts, very good efforts. Now here, like cloth, if you will use in little contrast, that will turn up well. But yes,
Okay.
efforts are amazing, my dear.
Okay,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. I will request Rajvi Patil. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, try to unmute yourself. Yeah, your spotlight, ma'am, you have that access. Try to unmute yourself. I think some technical glitch we have, and almost all the parents we covered up. So thank you so much, moms and students, for being with us. Don't forget to share your craft with us. And with this, we will wind up our session. Take care. Lots of blessings. You all are amazing. Really proud of you. May God bless you. Take care.